The United States dropped the atomic bomb on Nagasaki in August 1945 as a culmination of military, political, and strategic considerations aimed at ending World War II quickly while minimizing further Allied casualties. And it happened at that specific moment because Japan remained unwilling to surrender despite years of devastating conflict in the Pacific. By mid-1945, the war in the Pacific had become increasingly brutal. Battles such as Iwo Jima and Okinawa had inflicted staggering losses on both American and Japanese forces, and American military planners projected that a full-scale invasion of Japan's home islands, known as Operation Downfall, could result in hundreds of thousands of deaths, including civilian casualties. The United States had spent years developing the atomic bomb in secret under the Manhattan Project, a massive scientific and military undertaking, and the weapon represented a unique opportunity to end the war decisively without the extreme human cost of a prolonged land invasion. Hiroshima, a major military and industrial hub, was targeted first on August 6, 1945, but when Japan did not immediately surrender. Nagasaki was chosen as a secondary target on August 9 to reinforce the psychological shock and demonstrate the overwhelming destructive power of the new technology. The decision was influenced not only by immediate military objectives, but also by broader political and strategic concerns. American leaders sought to force unconditional surrender, justify the enormous expenditure and secrecy of the Manhattan Project, and simultaneously send a clear message to the Soviet Union about U.S. technological supremacy in the emerging post-war global order. The bomb's detonation caused unprecedented devastation, instantly killing tens of thousands of people and leaving lasting suffering from radiation exposure, compelling Japan to surrender formally on August 15, 1945, and effectively bringing World War II to an end. In essence, the atomic bombing of Nagasaki was carried out because it offered the quickest, most decisive method to end the war, avoid further Allied and Japanese casualties, break Japan's unwillingness to surrender, and establish the United States as the preeminent military and political power in the post-war world. It also marked the beginning of the nuclear age, fundamentally reshaping international relations, military strategy, and ethical considerations about the use of nuclear weapons, leaving a legacy that continues to influence global security and diplomacy decades later.